So when we were forced to work from home, the first week or so I was working from my bed, which was a bit of a nightmare. So that triggered me that we had to rearrange this area for everybody, so for the girls and for us. So it was a really awkward, it's an awkward space because it's not a square, it's like a rectangle in the middle and it's like a cross shape. So I did have a desk and I did have a TV and I did have the sofa. However, the desk was over here with the TV on the wall. The sofa was way back there, which really wasn't very functional because it was too far away from the TV. So I decided to rearrange some of the other rooms, and I bought some furniture here to put the TV on. I moved the desk back to this area and created like a working area for myself and for the girls. And then here we have the sofa where we sit and watch TV, we read stories, we just share our day. But it was really, really important to divide the area up to make it more functional because it was dead space before. And as I say, just a walk-through area to the bedrooms and to the upstairs laundry. So I feel like it's divided into areas now. So there we have the TV and a play area. Here we have the sofa with the footstool, which is like, this is more the social space. And then at the back, which is more, it's more private-ish, it's cordoned off. We work here, the girls do their homework on the desk, and I feel like it's a better, much more usable space now. We use it much more. We hardly ever used this before we moved it about, but I see sometimes my husband comes up here, we sit and watch the TV. We never ever done that before. So it was really important to utilise the space that we had and to make it work for everybody in the family. So when we were looking to rearrange this area to make it more user-friendly, you know, I was really conscious that I had stole the girls' playroom. So the idea was to keep it fun but also functional. So we looked to have them bright colours, you know, black and white with bold patterns, and then we added this pop of yellow. So it creates still this playful room for the kids, but also I can work here and during the day. We have a white sofa that we keep it clean by keeping a throw over it, and it also has removable covers, so it's great to have in the kids' playroom.